Welcome back, boys and girls. It's almost noon. So we have our probe out checking wires. There is absolutely no wire at all anywhere in this junction that's positive with the key off. Yay. So now I have to start chasing wires because this is a complete debacle. So I fixed their jumper there and added a wire for ground. That one is positive with the key on. That one, I'm sorry, that one's negative, good. That one's negative, bad. There's no power, there's no negative, there's no nothing. So I'm checking all the ones here in the, right here. That's a good ground. Nothing. So we're gonna pull this switch out, get these wires back the best I can. I'm pretty certain I can get them, but I'm not sure. So I need to repair this yet still. Let me see if I can get a really good picture up in there. Come on, I can't see because of the brightness of the sun. Okay, there we go. That's a complete you-know-what. So there is more of the duct tape that they had holding it together. I mean, it's just astronomically stupid. I mean, we run into this a lot, but no, this is literally astronomically stupid. If you don't know what you're doing, don't effing do it. Let's check, see if we've got anything on this connector. So let me see what I can do. I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold camera at the same time. Okay, nothing. Ooh, wait, good ground. Ooh, we got a positive. Oh yeah, we got a positive, baby. Woohoo! Yeah. So now I know where I can put my memory. So we've got a positive and a negative. So I can start routing these and get these ready to go. Yes. Oh my God, people. I mean, it's really not that hard. These things are like 50 bucks. And you can check your wiring before you even do anything. I mean, all my stuff is shrink wrapped, safely soldered and connected. I mean, it spends a couple of minutes to do it, but I mean, it's not a big deal. Do it once, do it right, or don't do it. God, this gets so frustrating. Okay, thank you for the rant. See you guys on the next one.